Manage licenses with ease using the SmartHQ Service Customer Portal. Navigate to your purchases to view the total number of licenses you own and how many are available. In this example, we have purchased a total of 8 licenses. 3 are allocated to technicians and 5 are available. Click All Licenses to view more details. Here, you will be able to see which technicians these licenses have been allocated to, as well as the start and end date of each subscription. Let's go ahead and allocate a license to a newly hired technician. Click Allocate Licenses and enter the user's information. Make sure the Allocate License button is checked off and click Save. As you can see, we now have 4 licenses available. You can also check to see if any licenses have expired. In this example, we have no expired licenses. You can also revoke a license from any technician by clicking the Edit Technician Details button. Now, uncheck the Allocate License button and click Update. The license has now been revoked.